So we're here at Skylark. Wow, so beautiful here. And we're in the room. Look at this big bed. We can jump on the bed. Whoops. And this fantastic art. Oh.
This is the perfect millennial room.
Yes, you feel like it has a modern style for young people.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this desk, because we gotta do work while we're on vacation, you know, with the corkboard.
Not.
Always working, always creating. So we got, you know, again, the fabulous gift basket, which isn't really a gift. You have to pay for everything if you take it out. And the bar, the mini bar in the fridge, which again, if you eat it, you have to buy it. Icebox. This icebox is wild cute. Look at this color. A mirror. Pause up.
Hey!
Ooh! A safe with a passcode. Iron, as usual. Look at this light. This is mad cool. In the bathroom. We got another super cool mirror to zoom into your face. The shower is like from the future. And we're here. This is the room. Thanks for sharing your room with us, Kim.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Have fun in